Impressed with the performance of the Rudra armed helicopter in the northern Ladakh sector, the Indian Air Force will soon place an additional order for 48 more units for high-altitude operations in the Himalayas and the desert sector on the Western Front, that will form 3 new squadrons of the Rudra. It will come with a 20mm turret gun, 70mm rocket pods and air-to-air missile, and these 48 units will also come equipped with the 7km range Helena anti-tank missile. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders will launch the Vagsheer on 20th April, which is the 6th and last submarine under the Project 75 of the Indian Navy, that will be followed by sea trials and commissioning by the end of this year. The chairman and managing director of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders has confirmed that 2 more platforms are planned to be launched, that includes one Project 15B Destroyer in April, and one Project 17A stealth frigate in May this year. Talks have started to revive the plan to construct 3 more Scorpene submarines, as the retendering of Project 75 or removing the requirement of sea-proven air-independent propulsion system will mean that the whole process will not start before 2024. In a very significant development, Mazagon Dock Limited has issued an expression of interest for collaboration from global firms in the design, development and construction of extra-large unmanned underwater vehicles that will have similar dimensions of a submarine. This autonomous unmanned submarine will feature a reconfigurable payload bay that will be capable of payload delivery like torpedoes and submarine-launched cruise missiles, and the unmanned submarine will have extended range and autonomy. It will transit to an area of operation, loiter with the ability to periodically establish communications, deploy payloads, and will carry different pre-programmed mission objectives, and will travel back to home base. A critical benefit is that the Indian Navy personnel can launch, recover, operate and communicate with the unmanned submarine from the home base, and the remote crew will never be placed in harm's way. After initial media reports that Russia has delivered the 2nd Regiment of S400 system to India yesterday, government officials have clarified that the delivery of the 2nd Regiment of the S400 is likely to be delayed by 3 months and will be done by August 2022. Yesterday's delivery was not of the 2nd Regiment, but was a tranche of simulator and training equipment for the 1st Regiment of S400 and some overhauled aircraft engines and spares. The Indian Navy has started the process to ramp up indigenization efforts, especially in weapons and aviation-related items, which has gained further urgency due to the ongoing situation in Eastern Europe. The Navy has already indigenized around 3,400 items, that includes 1,000 aviation spares and over 250 weapon spares, and the Navy has now formed 4 in-house indigenization committees to handle indigenization of spares with respect to naval aircraft. Some of the focus areas include indigenous design and development and production of anti-submarine weapons and sensors, SATCOM and electronic warfare equipment, anti-ship missiles and medium-range surface-to-air missiles, combat management system, software-defined radios, network encryption devices, link-to-communication system, main batteries for submarines and distress sonar system. Intelligence inputs suggest that the Chinese army is planning fresh incursions at several sensitive places along the line of actual control. The Indian Army and the Indo-Tibetan Border Police have been alerted, and they have bolstered their operational and infrastructure capabilities and fortified their positions at these sensitive zones.